Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. I have a leftover flower in this beautiful orange color. I have the metal words, thankful, harvest, and welcome. Some Mod Podge, some decorative tissues, or what are they, napkins, and then one of these wooden pieces. So let's go ahead and get everything ready. We are going to have the hot glue gun heating up. If you do not want to use hot glue, you could just use the Fix-All adhesive. It works very well. It just takes a little bit longer to hold. You have to wait a little bit longer, but these are a little bit longer than the wood piece itself, which I absolutely love. Let me know what you think. We could use the thankful. We could use harvest. I don't like the way this one comes off, so I won't use that. Or if you want to make a cute little welcome sign, you could do that as well. Super cute. All right, I think I'm gonna use the thankful. Yeah, I'm gonna use thankful. And we can make a welcome sign any time of the year, but I think with these beautiful pumpkins, the thankful will just look adorable. All right, now you can choose to paint this any color you want. I'm just going to leave it in that natural wood. I just simply adore that color. What I am going to do is you're going to take your napkin, and you need to figure out if it is a 1 or a 2 ply. If it is a 2 ply, you're going to want to take that back part off. It's a little difficult. That's your longest part. What I did is I'm going to go ahead and cut these. So I cut it, and I didn't really care about how well I cut it at first. And then save that one for another piece. And then at this point, you might be able to find a part where this will come apart from the other part. I, at first, did not realize that it was 2 ply. So I wasn't real sure, but then as I was cutting, I did notice that there was a 2nd ply. There is a 2nd ply, and this is just my fingers not wanting to work properly. So can you see that 2nd ply there? When you get that 2nd ply, you just gently peel it. You're going to just gently peel it apart like this. Now when I do that, I like to hold down the piece that I want. So hopefully it does not tear anything that I want like that. So once I get that off, or if I'm having trouble, I just wait. I just start my cutting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here, and I'm going to cut all around. Now you could cut just all around like this, like no problem, or you can actually go in and cut each little individual, depending on how much time you have or how detailed you want it. So I went ahead and peeled mine. And then that is when I took off my backing, because I did not know it was 2 ply. I kept trying and trying and trying. So as you can see, I chose to do a little bit more detailed, but then I completely cut off these parts right here because I knew I couldn't get it exactly how I wanted it. So I'm going to go ahead, and like I said, I'm going to leave it as is. And I'm going to put a little bit of the Mod Podge. Woo, right on here. And I'm going to get that all where I'm going to be putting this on. So just a real light very light, very light. I'm going to put that right down at the bottom, and I can see where I did not go high enough on here. Ooh. So I add a little bit more. I'm going to put that on there nicely. And then I have, well, I'm just going to then go over this and put it down. There we go. And then you can go over that with that Mod Podge again to get that nice and glued down on there. Mod Podge works as a nice glue. And then if you have those, if you did cut it really close together, I'm just getting some of that extra Mod Podge off, pushing it down, because I don't want to tear anything. So nice. And any of your pieces that come off for any reason, don't worry about it. I just had a little teeny tiny piece of the tip of the leaf. So you guys, this is quick drying, and look at how pretty this is. All right, we're gonna let that dry for just a moment. It's at this point, if you wanted to do any decorating, if you wanted to add a little bit of like some paint, or to give it a little bit of, what I was thinking is maybe putting some brown around the edges or something like that. But I really want to keep this nice and clean and easy. So I'm going to take this thankful here, and I'm going to see exactly where I want it. And I thought I wanted it up here, but now that I'm looking, I might just want it to go down here a little bit and hang off. That is so pretty. I don't want it to hang off too much, and I want to be able to see that part of the pumpkin, so I'm thinking right about here would be cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, first things first, I'm going to get this thing on, because you know me, I love to burn myself. So this is metal, so it's going to dry very fast. So make sure, one, you put enough on there, and two, you act quickly. And you can get all over or just parts, but remember, this is metal, so it will conduct the heat and start burning your fingers if you get too close. So I'm going to quickly move and put this where I want it. Oh, perfect. And now I'm going to put this down. And I don't think I moved quick enough, just like I told you, which is 100% fine, because that is why I brought the Fix-All glue as well. Oh, wait a minute. Some of it did. I think I could fix this. Nope. You know me. If if you want to see how not to do things, just follow me. I've gotcha. Now, in all fairness, I could leave this hot glue on, and just to fix it, I could heat it with a heat gun if you have one of those. And then as soon as I lift the heat gun on, press it a little further, and it would work perfectly. But not everybody has a heat gun laying around. If you wanted to grab one, I sell them on my Stampin' Up online shop. A beautiful little heat tool. I'm going to try this one more time, and I'm going to put some adhesive fix-all as well. I don't have very much in here. Let's see if we can get it up there. Nope, we're going to be opening a new one. All right, here we go. When I do my videos, I do them in real time so that you could see exactly how long it's going to take approximately for yourself. And then any mistakes, if it happens, it happens, and you know what you're going to be dealing with. So I'm just rubbing some of this along here in the larger areas. And I am still going to use some hot glue as well, just because I want it to quickly stick, and the fix-all does take a little bit of time to dry. So here we go. I know that I want to have a good portion, so I'm not going to let it dry too quickly. I'm going to put enough of it on here, and I think we're good. We're going to move back here and go exactly where I want that again. I'm going to just put down in some space or some spots. This is so cute. And you could leave that as is. I'm going to take this, and we're going to see, not 100% yet, to see if I want to add this here. I think that might be overpowering, and I don't think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to save this, and I think we're going to be all done. I think this is going to be a cute little $1, $2, $3 project. So I hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, and thank you guys so much. It's crafting season again, and I can't wait to do more DIYs. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.